Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming to the show today. So for this episode, I have a Valentine's Day one lined up for us, and we are going to do some resin. We haven't done that for a little while, so I wanted to jump back in and get my feet wet. So for this one, I have some heart-shaped molds, and one of them is, it's got like a prism cut, and then the other one is just a regular mold. And I wanted to try a couple of different things. I have some glitter, some flowers, and then these metallic cutouts. So let's see how those work, and here we go. Okay, so these are the heart-shaped molds I was talking about with the prism cut so that it will reflect the light. And I have already mixed up our resin, so I'm just gonna put a little bit in this one, a little in here, and a little in here. All right, then I have these little heart-shaped metallic cutouts. So, you know what I think though? I think we should pour the resin first, and then go ahead and put those in. So I'm just gonna give this a quick stir. And then we're gonna use, okay, so I thought I had it on record, but I didn't. So I just poured a little bit of resin right here, and now I'm gonna pour these in. And I have a whole bunch of these, so I'm just going for it. All right, so now we'll just go ahead and put the rest in. All right, and then now I'm just gonna go over it with the torch real quick. Okay, now we can move on to our next project. Okay, so now I have these little cutouts of, I think it's like wrapping paper or something. So I just cut it out to the size of the heart, and I think we're gonna go with this one here. So you just kind of smush it in there, you know, so that it fits. Actually, I like this one better. All right, and then I'm gonna do the other side with the red as well, because I want it to be red on both sides. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and pour this on. Now I'm sure this one's gonna have a lot more bubbles coming up. Oh my God, I'm shaking the whole table, I'm sorry. So as they come up, we'll pop those bitches, but they're gonna keep coming. All right, and then for the last one, all right, then I have these little peach colored dudes. These. Okay, for the last one, okay, then I got this today from the Dollar Tree. So I wanted to do a couple of different things with this. I want to use some glitter and some mica powder. I don't know how much this is going to take, so I'm just trying to be a little cautious here. So the first one is this light pink. Gorgeous. Okay, mix this baby up. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. All right, so we're gonna do, I'm just gonna hold it. I'm not gonna fill it all the way up, but I want you to be able to see. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Okay. Oh, I love it. All right, and then we'll do another one because we have some left. Maybe even another one. I don't know if we'll have enough though. Yep, we'll make it work. Okay, cool. Now the next one will be this pink. Okay, and the resin it's starting to get a little bit cured, so I'm gonna have to hurry it up. And I don't think I'm gonna do any of the resin. Ooh, I don't think I'll do any of the resin mica powder because I'm already filling up all my holes here. I just realized how that sounded. That's awful. All right, so then we also have this different shade of pink. Ooh. Mix those two together there. All right, and then we still have 2 to go. So I already have some in here. We're just gonna make a little bit more, but for this one, I'm gonna add, I have some purple and pink mixed together, so I am just gonna put a bunch in there. Okay, so that's pretty much it for right now. You know the drill. We're going to come back in 24 hours. Actually, you know what? It's going to be a little bit longer because I have to wait until the resin sets in the flower ones, and when that's done, then I can put the final layer on, and then we'll come back. Okay guys, in keeping with the Valentine's Day theme, I wanted to share with you an animal fact brought to you by these penguins that live out in Antarctica. Okay, it's a love story. So anyways, when the male finds a lady that he wants to be with, he goes on a special mission and he finds her just the right pebble, okay? So then he'll go to her and give her the pebble. If she accepts, that means that they are now married, they are now one, and they're gonna live happily ever after, okay? So that was his little proposal. Then, so once she accepts and says yes, now they take that special little pebble and they use that as the start of their nest, along with all the other little pebbles that they find together. Is that not just the cutest freaking story? I love it. Okay guys, today is the big reveal, and I have good news and bad news. So the bad news first, and that is that these 5 did not turn out. They did not cure properly, and I have no idea why, because this one did. So I don't know what's different about those versus this one, but whatever, we're gonna go ahead and pop this baby out. Oh yeah. So that turned out pretty cute. So then we have this one, and these all, I think, are gonna be okay. So let's start popping them out. Oh, I love it. What about this guy? Oh yeah, also cute. Okay, so here's this one. And then this one. Whoops. Here's the back of it. And this one. So they're all basically the same. I don't know what's going on with my voice. But you know, I like them. I think they turned out cute. So I'm going to place them wherever. I don't know where I'm going to put them yet. I might take some to work. And it's too bad the other ones did not turn out. But you know what? It's a learning experience. So anyway, thank you guys for coming today. Sorry that was kind of a fail. But like I said, learning experience. Now we know. And I hope you guys have a great day. And I'm excited to see you on our next episode.